Hi, David Wilton here from TPAS Cymru. I just want to say, update you about what I'm up to. I'm at TPAS Scotland's conference the next couple of days. I'm here to talk to them about damp and mould and net zero and just really what's happening in Wales. But I'm also looking to learn from Scottish tenants, listen and talk to Scottish tenants and bring that back to Wales into the work we're doing. We've got some great sessions this week about things like engaging young people, some discussions about what is affordable in this whole issue about affordable housing. Some issues from tenant. Scotland's got a lot more tenant and resident groups still thriving and growing. I'm going to be keen to talk to them about what approaches they're taking on this. And I think, there's a number of other things here that are really, over the next couple of days, we look forward to. There's some demonstrations on passive housing, engagement with underrepresented groups and things like that. So I'll keep you informed. And as I say, what I learned this week, I'll be putting back into the work we do at TPAS Cymru. Take care.